Bottle Filter Kit. What's included? Your kit includes a screw-on filter, flip cap, cleaning plunger, cleaning coupling, and a spare gasket. Important: remember to always wash your hands with soap and water before handling the filter. Assembly instructions. Step 1. Find a standard plastic bottle. The filter can be used on most common soda or water bottles with extended threads. Avoid any bottle that previously stored chemicals. Step 2. Screw the filter onto the plastic bottle. Be gentle. Sawyer filters only need to be finger tightened on the bottle. The easiest way to spring a leak is to over-tighten the filter. This can damage or warp the white gasket visible on the filter, cause it to fall out, or get lodged inside the opening of the bottle. Filtering water. Locate a clean pitcher or water container. Flip the cap to the open position and squeeze the bottle into the clean container. Cover or seal the clean water container to prevent contamination. Close the flip cap. Backwashing with the cleaning plunger. Step 1. Filter 1 last cup of water. Step 2. Fill the cleaning plunger with the filtered water. Step 3. Remove the filter cap and insert the plunger onto the tip of the filter. Use the palm of your hand to backwash the filter with force. Repeat this 3 times or until the water runs clear. Then discard the backwashed water. Backwashing with the cleaning coupling. Step 1. Fill a clean plastic bottle with filtered water. Step 2. Screw the cleaning coupling onto the drinking side of the filter. Then screw the bottle of filtered water onto the cleaning coupling. Step 3. Tip the bottle upside down and squeeze forcefully. Repeat until the water runs clear and easily. Discard the backwashed water. Remember to clean the filter at least once a day. This will help maintain the flow rate. Store the filter in a clean, dry place out of direct sunlight, and do not let the filter freeze.